Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide everyone. The way to do that is to create a series of automated Instagram accounts. Support you to advertise on Instagram. I'll use features like send messages automatically, automatic comment. Or I can build an automated channel by posting, fully automatic video reel posting. This is the main interface of my Instagram software. Here's the support you manage a lot of Instagram accounts. Like I added a few. I have Instagram account to support demo tutorial for brothers. First you guys, go to the interaction script. Here you will add your own scripts interact to support your account. Here I will have scenarios like new feed interactions, follower interaction, interaction according to specific account. Here you can add your own scripts, the interactive actions, as a real user and depending on the level of interaction you want. I've already added a sample script here. After you've added the script, you can save it. Then you choose the script, and you set up your own configuration. Number of running accounts simultaneously and you choose account. When you are finished, click Start. Now let's follow along. The software will support interaction, how to automatically fund your account. In addition, the software has many other features. I support you fully automated deployment on Instagram. If you are interested in software, please contact me through Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.